Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely 2019 19 plate Kawasaki Ninja 650. This one is finished off in the KRT colour scheme. It's only done 7,090 miles from new. It's a really nice bike. They're really popular these as well because you can restrict them and have them on an A2 licence. They're a 2-cylinder bike, so they've got plenty of grunt, plenty of power, and they do sound pretty cool as well, so if you rewind a little bit you'll get to hear it. It's got an R&G tail tidy, it's got some paddock stand bobbins. It's also got some swing arm protection as well, just at the back there. You can see it around this side. You get ABS, you get a digital display, you get a gear indicator, you get a fuel gauge, and like I said, you can restrict them on an A2 licence. But no, they're a cool bike, real popular seller, look fantastic. If you do want to get this one bought, get yourself out of Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.